Hey, what's up guys? Johnny here. I got another little project I'm doing. I figured I'd do a little build video on it. We'll keep it short and sweet. I am building a wooden boat, kit boat. It's a from Zippkits, and the boat is a Crackerbox. That's what a Crackerbox looks like. It's basically the full-size version. It's two people sit in the back. It's kind of hard to see there, but it's a California West Coast racing boat. Big motor, small boat. Well, this is the RC version of that. So it's a kit. I've never done a kit before, so this ought to keep me busy because I've been bored for the last month. So as you can see, everything's all pre-cut. I just gotta like punch it out. It's all been laser cut. All these little pieces of wood. There's several stacks of it here. They supply you with a nice build jig. I gotta attach this to my table. One of the first things they tell you is make sure you have a nice flat table and something you can screw into. And they say, of course, that eliminates the kitchen table. Of course, what do? I go grab my kitchen table, which as you can see is pretty beat up, but it's nice and flat. It just had stuff piled on top of it. I would never used it for eating. So we're going to keep these videos short. Got some epoxies, some finishing resins. Comes with a nice instruction manual. A few little things here. So we'll keep you up to date on this. And we'll keep the videos short. I ain't going to make no big deal about it. We'll get a little bit done and we'll show you how I'm doing. Till then, see ya.